Welcome everyone to the Philippines. So happy to be part of this gathering.
I can just say his name is very apt when we call him Perfecto.
Thank you that I get to meet all of you.
Hopefully, you can enjoy it as well as we do.
It's so much fun to meet so many new people from all across the world.
Thank you very much. We hope you enjoy your stay here in the Philippines.
You never know whom you can come across to in your life. So let us all be good to each other.
I came to know Dr. Perfecto as one of my mentors.
I actually met Perfecto at the Nepal Vitreoretina Society meeting. We ended up being good international friends.
So first I came for the party, and additionally I was invited to APVRS.
Dr. Perfecto actually called me and then asked me to are you willing to host this event? And I was like, who couldn't say no to Dr. Perfecto, right?
It happened about 2 or 3 years ago when I met one of the Indians from the European Vitreoretina Society. I was invited to Mumbai in the same year, and then Nepal. So in Nepal, I was there, I felt that everything was falling into place, and APVRS came, but a little bit of maybe of a side trip to keep all my friends together and party for Christmas. And that's how, here we are!
Yes, you attend conferences to keep abreast with what is happening latest in the world, but what you miss out if you just restrict yourself to that is knowing people.
The real discussion happens here. During parties, during dancing, we make real friendships. And at that time, we really can ask someone the difficult questions. And those questions we wouldn't ask at the podium. So I think that's the most important thing.
When you meet people, not only do you learn about their way of practicing, how they are managing their patients, all you know, they may be practicing and managing them better than what you are doing in your clinic. And that human connect helps you know one more new person. You spread knowledge, you spread cheer, you spread happiness, and I think that is what it's about.
When we learn how people behave in Asia, in surgery, or in Africa, in South America, we can really learn the whole knowledge. And that's the place where we can learn those really sophisticated surgical techniques.
I'm also part of the Young Ophthalmologist Society, and that is one of our goals, to be able to bring that connection to each and every young ophthalmologist. It's very important to connect with a mentor that will give you guidance on how to go about with your practice and also your development and your training as an ophthalmologist.
Go introduce yourself, try to exchange contacts if you can, and then work on that contact. Try to facilitate it, try to reinforce it. You know, one thing leads to the other, and before you know, you will not only have a strong academic circle, you will also develop a strong international social circle.
When you have these friends around you, you feel that somehow there's interconnection that happens all throughout the world, and it keeps a little bit the world a much better place because there's a mutual understanding that happens between countries.
I think it all starts within us to connect and, form some connections, whatever that is, outside the hospital, maybe, especially inside the hospital, academically, yeah.
And maybe even at a party.
Yeah, this is one of the avenues for that.
I congratulated him very specially because the food was excellent. We had the mushroom soup. That's the traditional Polish dish for Christmas. That's the type of soup our grandmas did.
So if you're thinking about doing a party, get in touch. I have me, I have my gang. We are always on. We will teach you along the day and we will party with you along the evening.
I think ophthalmologists can make a good job out of an event and being a stylist, being logistics, and being what we call an artist at the same time.